Now this is what a farewell from Lamborghini looks like. It's the Lamborghini Aventador Ultimae, the last Aventador to be made at the end of its 11-year production run, and it's also the last naturally aspirated V12 Lamborghini. So it's no surprise that this iteration of the 6.5 litre V12 is the most powerful that's ever been fitted to a standard production Lamborghini model. The motor now makes 780 PS and 720 Newton meters, which is 10 more than even the track-focused SVJ and 40 more than the standard Aventador S, which means that the Ultimae can do 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds, 0 to 200 in 8.7 seconds, and reach a 355 kmph top speed. Now the Aventador's replacement will be a hybrid when it launches in 2024, and this is an especially significant change because a V12 in a Lamborghini predates even this exaggerated styling that you so associate this brand with. It dates back to the 350 GT, the first ever Lamborghini. Now, I've never really seen an Aventador at close quarters like this before, and the Roadster is really an event even when it's static like this. Now for the Ultimae, Lamborghini hasn't gone too far overboard by its standards. So aside from the already exaggerated cuts and creases, there isn't too much more that's been added to the car. It's very subtle. So for example, you have this front bumper which has these sort of straight designs to it with these highlights which you can choose in various colors, and that extends through the car and right to the end at the diffuser too. And that's pretty much the only noticeable difference in the way the Ultimae looks against another Aventador. Now, as with any other Aventador, the Ultimae also gets a carbon fiber tub. There's a lot of carbon fiber on the bodywork, like on the hood and on the roof. And you have this race-inspired push-rod suspension, rear-wheel steer, and a robotized 7-speed single-clutch automatic. Now, unlike the SVJ and its fixed wing, the Ultimae gets a 3-stage retractable spoiler. And as you can see the back, it's got these massive exhaust tips as big as probably my fist and a wide open diffuser below, again with those highlighted strakes from the front. Now changes to the inside of the Ultimae are as subtle as the ones on the outside. So you know that this is an Ultimae with these laser etched Y motifs inside. It's a largely carbon and Alcantara interior. And specifically for this model, you get a special plaque commemorating the fact that this is one of 600 such cars in the world. Now there will only be 350 coupe Ultimaes and 250 Roadsters, of which this is one. This is the only one coming to India, and every Ultimae is now sold out. What a farewell.